dito?
Te, nag-adlock ako. I don't wanna
Hi,
be here.
guys. We are in
The back
the
rooms.
back rooms. And there's so many cactus sa itong dito. Guys, joke lang to, guys. Human pool rooms, 300.
Guys, we're in the real back rooms now. OMG!
Sarado na TV.
Te, gusto ako pagbalik ka balay. What is that? Go there, go there. Let's go in. That's one of the outsides.
Hey, wait, the lights is... Wait.
Where are we?
What's this?
What is this?
I think it's a pool.
A creepy pool? It looks deep.
Yeah, I don't wanna go.
Where should we go? Oh, let's go over there. It might be a way outside.
I don't think so. Wait, what is here? I don't wanna go. It's so dark. I'm in here.
I wanna go back home.
So creepy.
No!
What's this?
It's pink.
What's that? I think it's a chair or something.
I think so. Let's go over there.
No, it's... Wait.
Slides.
I think when we slide, we're going to...
We're going back home. No! It's blood! Look, down.
I think it's not blood. Oh. Yeah, it's blood. Ew. Hey,
Where are we now?
I don't know. I think we're in the winter.
We're in somewhere. Parkour?
Bro. Guys, we collapse. Tama na, tama na. Ikaw liwat ang.
Tulo pa na minutos.
Tatatatataton.
Flush down the toilet.
Sige.
Oh, ito daw!
Ito, 300. Oh, sige, sige. Oh!
Oh my gosh! Where are we?
Wake up! Wake up!
Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. Red door, yellow door! Oh my gosh, it's the red door! Should we go?
I don't think so.
I'm scared.
I think we will not go.
Oh my gosh!
So many eyes.
What? We teleported! Halawagan man yan, Roblox.
This is so cool, but it's so creepy.
So many mushroom. If we live here, we must eat all of the mushroom.
Bro,
Where are we now?
strawberry.
Oh my gosh! No, 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 no.
I wanna go home.
Oh, what's that? Bakit may
Bro.
Bro, bro, what's up here? Tumunal.
Oh my god. I think
Okay, that's cursed. I don't wanna look anymore.
Did we teleport? I
Again?
think we're in house. No.
The houses. It's so blurry.
Yeah, and there's Haba line there. Wait,
Huh? Where are we now?
did we teleport?
Again? That's so weird.
It's so blurred.
Yes. What? Are we back home? No, we're not back home. It's a hallucination. What is that?
I think it's a tree. What?
We get teleported every time.
I wanna go home. I don't wanna go teleport.
I wanna wake up. This is not real. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
Oh, tapos na.
It's just a hallucination.
It's a prank!
It's from our TV.
Ano ba't aton, day?
Ito daw, your birthmark, your liminal.
Direton, ano?
Oh! Backrooms, level 974.
Dire 300. Loka.
Hello, backroom.
Sige, order.
Ito.
Fear of heights daw.
Sige.
Kamu na ito din, magpapag-storage natin. Kaya